Hey guys, so in this video it's going to seem like we found a ton of Megalodon teeth, but there are actually quite a few people hunting out at the site. So it comes down to about 1 or 2 Megalodon teeth per person. Just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed you can do so below. Also just got an Instagram, so that link's in the description. You can go and follow me on that. I'll be posting some videos and photos on there. Also I have a couple eBay pages where you can buy a shark tooth if you'd like. Those links are in the description as well. But I got a really great video for you guys, so enjoy. Thank you. First tooth of the day. What we got, Doug?
Yeah, Mako root damage, yeah.
Not bad, a little bit of root damage.
Those colors.
Good color. Sweet. Alright guys, my first Meg. It is a proud moment. Oh my gosh. Oh, holy shit, dude. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm gonna go wash it off real quick. Oh my gosh.
That's a trip maker, dude. Right
Dude, out there.
Oh,
I need to get some more water. Wait, I gotta get more water. There we go. Oh my gosh. Dude. I gotta clean it off a little better. Oh my gosh.
God, that thing's beautiful.
Look at that thing, dude. That's crazy. Yeah, you can hold it. Clean it off a little better.
That's what I want. Something just like that.
Dang, dude.
I know.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Look at that. That's crazy, dude. Awesome. Dang.
Oh, now I'm jealous.
Got a Mako?
Nice Mako with a little bit of piece of phosphate underneath it. Roots mostly
Sweet.
there.
Oh, those are roots there. That's good.
Oh man, chocolate.
I know it did, didn't it?
Oh, I see it. Thanks. Sweet Mako. It's a lower.
Yes, sir.
Alright, we got our next Meg. Want to take it out a little bit?
All right, Zach.
Dude.
Take this off.
Yes.
It's lower, it looks like.
Dude. That is crazy.
Wash that off.
Shoes are getting soaked, but that's okay.
Exactly.
Dude.
Yeah. A little chip there, but that's okay.
God.
That is gorgeous.
Mind if I see it for a second?
Oh yeah.
For sure, dude. Dang. Look at that, dude. That's crazy.
That is your best Meg ever.
Dude.
Oh my gosh.
Congrats, man.
Let's put that
worth it?
Yeah.
She looks like she's all there.
Ooh.
That's a pretty color, man. I love it.
Cusps there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Got a little nick on the serrations, but
Sweet.
collar
Sweet.
into each other.
Mind if I see Martin? We're
Little
done.
chip on that cusp over there, but it's beauty. Nice.
Sweet.
Y'all are shaming me.
Nice lower.
Yeah.
Saw the tip sticking out.
Yeah.
Shoo. Look at that, dude. Nice, man. Nice, dude. Want to hold it?
Yeah.
Thanks.
It's got a little ding on the side.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Nice, Angie.
Third one of the day.
Sweet. Got one that just popped out of the wall. We're digging right there.
Oh, yellow on the side there.
I'm gonna wash it off a little bit. Nice Angie. Sweet. Got an Angie.
Here, bub.
Oops, there it is.
We've got 4 over there. That's 6 so far.
I know.
That's a Mako actually.
Yeah,
Mako?
Yep, Mako.
Lower?
It's an upper actually. A little bit of.
Actually good. Look at that.
Upper, lateral? That's beat.
It's chewed up a little bit. Sorry. There you go.
Root and tip gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, really.
Got our next Meg here. This thing is massive. See how big that is? That's
Unbelievable.
crazy. Woo!
Oh my god. There's the tip hoover.
That's at least 5.
Yeah. Oh, she's there.
Oh my god.
The other half is there.
Careful that root, dude.
Yeah,
That root is like
rough
chewed
on the top
up.
there. Yeah.
No, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
God bless.
Probably won't even be able to clean it up. I might not be able to get it out of the block because of the sand. You know?
Yeah. You get deep enough, you just go right through it and then right onto it. I mean.
Yeah.
Yep.
So what are you doing now?
I'm trying to take it
Take
out
it out
of
as
the
a
block.
block so that we can
So I'm trying to cut around it as much as I can.
prevent it from cracking. Or
Because
just keep it as one
I
piece.
think
really.
I think this is gonna fall off.
Right. There you go. Nice, Mark.
There it is.
Sweet, dude.
That's sick.
We took it out as a block because of that big crack there. We don't want it to split.
But there she is.
That's
We're gonna go measure.
Awesome. That's huge, dude.
Oh yeah, it's starting to crack a little more.
That's a big one.
Clear off the rest of this other side.
So there she is. Mostly cleaned up. That's awesome. Got an Angie right there. Just popped it out of the wall. Yeah.
She looks nice.
Yeah, not bad. Looks like got with cusps. Not too bad. Sweet.
Yeah, there now pull it
It's
out.
chipped on that corner right there.
There we go.
Yeah, not
That's
bad.
a Meg, dude.
Take it.
Mind if I hit
That's an Angie.
it? That was an Angie. I can't see.
Yeah, it's got the cusps.
That's a big
Got a little lightning on it.
Sweet.
There's Zach.
Alright, I'm gonna dig her out.
Yeah, jeez, who's over here digging and cleaning this hole out?
You?
I know.
There you go.
I'm cleaning everybody's hole out. You all getting all the.
Teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. It's a nice
Oh, I
Angie.
see.
That's pretty.
Nice Angie. Alright, we're just walking a little creek and came across this guy. Oh, not bad. Sweet.
The colors will be amazing.
Yeah.
Yes, it'd be
Sweet, dude. Nice burlette. Cool. First Meg of the day.
Alright, you see that?
Mm.
Alright, I need you. I need you.
I need to dig it out a little more.
That root is.
There it comes.
There it goes. So we're taking it out as a block so we don't damage the root.
We're gonna
anymore.
try to. It's already undercut.
Yeah. There you go.
It might not be
We'll see.
stable enough.
Yeah. There you go.
It's
Ooh.
not gonna.
It's not gonna hold.
It's too delicate.
Yeah.
Oh,
We just let it dry.
we're gonna put this up here.
Alright. Alright.
Let it dry out a little bit and then work with it later.
Oh, nope. There it goes. There it is. Oh. It was gonna fall out.
Yeah.
Regardless, it was around sand.
Yeah.
Look at the root still in there.
Yeah.
The root just fell apart.
Alright, looks like we got an angie or something.
Sometimes, personally, I kept them dinosaur feet for 2 years.
Oh, whoa.
Not bad.
That's a big upper.
Sweet.
Wow.
Mind if I see, Doug?
Clean that bad boy off. That
Take
thing's
it.
sexy.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So far.
Congrats.
Stone out because I was like, there's got to be something around it, and I found
we
an
got
angie beside.
Big old limestone we just
There's
dug
this
out.
big stone.
And then we see this tooth. Tooth popping out. Oh, dog. Look at that, dude.
Oh, sweet.
That is awesome, dude. Nice, Meg.
Clean it off here a second. Let Rod check it out.
Oh, thanks.
It's almost like just like your son's.
That is sweet, dude.
It does look like it.
Congrats. Nice, Meg.
Oh man, it's sweet.
There's a rock in there. Woo! With
Sweet.
my fresh nail.
That's how you do it. With the pedicure.
With the pedicure.
You know all these megs in this hole could have came from the same shark.
Here we
Oh.
go.
Oh, there.
Alright.
It's right there. You got it.
there.
I bet you can pull it out.
Woo!
All right,
There you go.
Yes.
Sweet.
Sweet.
There she
Oh
is.
my god, she's a cutie.
Kind of looks like a chub.
Clean her off and see. That negative's cool.
You want to flip it for me? Thank you. Appreciate it. That is nice. Congrats.
Thank you, thank you.
That's awesome. Wow. Taking out the next Meg. God, it's got some good colors.
Man.
Shoo.
Pretty. I think you can go from under it.
You probably
Yeah.
could, yeah. You probably, if you'll pop it up soon.
Yeah.
It looks solid. Does it feel solid?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. There you go.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Yes, very careful.
Oh my
Maybe
gosh.
Clean this part right here.
Yeah.
See if there's any more of that root. Yeah, there wasn't.
Ooh, it's loose though. You got it.
I just want to make sure the root wasn't.
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa! Look at the colors.
I try to shade.
Yeah.
Is the rest of it there, or is that part broken off?
That part's broken.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
That could have broke off when the shark took it out of its mouth.
Yep.
I can't. I'm getting a little bit of shadow.
There's a lot of shadows.
Yeah. Mind if I see Jordy when you're finished? Appreciate it.
All right, George.
Congrats. That is awesome.
Yeah.
Sweet. Alright guys, so here are my finds from the trip. I'll start off with the Big Meg first. A really nice tooth. Check out the size of this guy. I've found Megalodon teeth in previous videos, but nothing of this shape or quality. Check out that color. Really nice tooth. There's a nice Angustitan from the site. There's a Meg tooth from another site. I found this one just laying on the bank as I was walking out. Real nice tooth. Got a couple of other odds and ends. Got a whale ear bone. Couple odds. There's a little Meg. There's a little Mako. Couple Angustitans in here. Got some shark vertebra. Tiger shark tooth. There's another tiger shark tooth. Big old tiger. Couple scoots. There's one. Some random fish stuff. Got another big whale ear bone. I got some whale bone, most likely rib, and whale vertebra. Find quite a few of those, but overall it was a really great trip. Love that Megalodon tooth. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.